In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal on Aliexpress, a popular platform for finding amazing deals from vendors worldwide. Many users prefer using PayPal due to its security features and ease of use. If you've been wondering how to set it up on Aliexpress, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together step by step, ensuring you can confidently check out using PayPal. First things first, start by visiting the Aliexpress website. Once you're on the main page, you need to be logged into your account to proceed with setting up your payment options. If you don't have an account yet, it's a simple process to sign up, and having an account really enhances your shopping experience, especially when making changes like these. Once you are logged in, the next step is to locate your profile. Look towards the upper right hand corner of the page where you'll find your account avatar or your name. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to head over to Settings. It's where all your personal and account preferences are stored and managed. Now, while you're in the settings, we're specifically interested in how you can manage your payments. You'll find a tab labeled Payment within the settings menu, and that's precisely where you need to go next. This section houses all the payment related details and options associated with your Aliexpress account. Moving on, you will see an option to add new card or add payment method. Although these options traditionally refer to cards, this is where you can also link PayPal. The idea here is that Aliexpress allows PayPal as one of its payment methods, but often it's listed under cards for ease of configuration. Once prompted, select PayPal, and a new window will likely ask you to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection. It's important at this stage to make sure you're logging into the correct PayPal account, the one you intend to use for Aliexpress transactions. Keep in mind the safety of your financial information is crucial, so ensure you're using a secure network while handling these details. After following these steps, your PayPal account should now be linked to your Aliexpress account. With PayPal enabled, you'll find it even simpler to shop and check out, making your entire purchasing experience smooth and worry-free. By incorporating PayPal, you not only benefit from better tracking and security of transactions, but also from potentially quicker checkouts due to fewer steps during the payment process. Plus, it's reassuring to know your transaction is protected, giving you peace of mind while you shop for the best deals. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy your shopping adventures on AliExpress with the added security and convenience of using PayPal. Happy shopping!